up, everyone? We are in Amalfi on our honeymoon, and I am doing some street photography. It started off pretty hazy today, but it's gotten a lot better, so let's get to it. The camera I decided to bring on this trip is the Fujifilm X-T5 with the 27 f2.8 and the 35 f2. Wanted to keep the kit light, but I also wanted to have enough gear to get the shot. So let's see how it goes, and let's see how this Fuji X-T5 performs. I just picked it up a couple of weeks ago, and I gotta tell you, I was missing it. I love my ZF, but it's a little heavy, and this is just a little bit lighter, a little bit smaller. Fits in my Moment bag, which is in here right now. I also brought my 3-liter Peak Design bag if I have to carry my action cam and a bunch of other things. But yeah, Amalfi's beautiful. Can't wait to show you some footage of it and some photos along the way. We just got off the boat in Minori, and we're gonna walk through Minori and Maiori. I think that's how you say it. Correct me if I'm wrong. The boat ride was beautiful as always. It seems like there's a lot less people here than it was in Amalfi. A lot less, like hardly nobody, which is my jam. If you didn't know me, now you do. All right, let's get it. On a Saturday morning, doing some street photography while my wife sleeps, not my fiance anymore. So let's get it. I'm trying to be quiet because I want to be respectful for those that are sleeping. I'm walking through these tunnels, heading toward the cathedral and into the square. Let me turn it around so you can see what I'm looking at. There it is. All right, now we're gonna head down these stairs, and that should take us right into the square, to the main hub of Amalfi. And here we are. Getting here early in the morning when there's nobody here is kind of awesome. So I originally had hooked up the DJI Action 4 to this strap using this nice clip that I got, but it was too flimsy, so I took it off, and now I'm dual wielding the X-T5 and the 27mm f2.8 and the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you didn't know, Italy is the king of scooters. It makes me want to get one. Look at all these things. So we're staying in Atrani, I hadn't mentioned it before, and it's a little bit, it's about a 10-minute walk from Amalfi, but it's a lot quieter. I'm gonna head over there, maybe do a little bit more street photography. So this is a little piazza here in Atrani. There's not much to it, but it is quaint and it is quiet, and I like that.